So how can you add a different language keyboard on the iPhone? Let's get started. So at first, it's all part of the settings app, so it has to be managed right there. So essentially just locate your settings, and on the main page, go to the general section where you can then find the keyboards. So just click on keyboard right there and press keyboards once again to see all of the available ones. So for me, there are 7 currently. So I have the English, emoji, then there is the Slovak and a Danish language, which are from Apple's keyboard. The Gboard, Paste keyboard, and SwiftKey are third-party keyboards. Regardless, click on add a new one, scroll through the available languages, and select the one you want to add. So obviously a lot of options, but let's say that I'm gonna pick the Finnish one. So there is that. You can see it's at the bottom of the list. So when I go to the keyboard and hold down on the globe icon in the bottom left corner of the keyboard, you'll see that I can switch to a different language. So this list right here is the same one from settings, and I have the Suomi or the Finnish at the bottom right there. So I can switch to it, and now I have a different language in my keyboard. So I have like new characters, a new layout, and that's how it works. You can also just tap on the globe icon to quickly go through the list and select to a new language one by one if you want to, or you can also just go and return to the settings again. So if you ever want to delete something, you can do it this way. But adding languages to your keyboard is overall very simple. So if you have any questions, leave them below. I hope this video helped, and I hope we can see each other in the future as well.